That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality. This newscast is brought to you by Everest Appliances. Health, wellness, energy saving. Everbest from Everest. Available in major appliance stores nationwide. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Ang kape ko, Santhon Plus Coffee Mix. Ang kape na gawa sa Santhon, soya at malunggay. Sarap araw-arawin. Santhon Plus Coffee Mix. May kape ka na, may gamot ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Charm Fabric Conditioner with Bloom Fresh Technology. May antibacterial na at ka-bloom sa bango ang damit. Charm Fabric Conditioner, manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified, world-class quality.
Tuhod, siko, baywa, aray! Pag laging pasan ang sakit sa kasukasuan, sign na yan ng arthritis o joint deterioration. Karaniwan kapag nagkakaedad na, kailangan ng tibay at ginhawang makakapitan. Kaya ng arthritis yan. May undenatured type 2 collagen at methylsulfonyl methane na maaaring makatulong protektahan ang kalusugan ng kasukasuan. Make the right move. Uminom ng Artrisin araw-araw. Mabibili ang Artrisin sa mga leading drugstores nationwide. Mahalagang paalala, ang Artrisin ay hindi gamot at hindi maaaring gamitin panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay. Tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Pride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified. World-class quality.
Blessed day, everyone. Ako po si Venus Rock. Akala ko conquering the universe was the ultimate. But there's more. Dahil tinawag ho ako ng Panginoon for a major, major purpose. To guide the youth, help communities, and to bring others closer to Him. Kaya I take care of my health through proper diet, exercise, and MX3 capsule. I am ready to serve. Kasi para sa Panginoon, hindi lang ako fourth runner-up. First place ako sa puso niya.
Mahalagang paalala, ang MX3 capsule ay hindi gamot at hindi dapat gamiting panggamot sa anumang uri ng sakit.
MX3. Tested and proven with alpha, beta, at gamma mangosteen.
DCXL News, ang himpilan ng RMN.
Ang bawat pananaw at opinyon ng susunod na programa ay hindi sumasalamin sa pananaw at opinyon ng DCXL 558 RMN Networks at ng management.